The Innova SDS43 features a pre-post style diagnostic, customer, and collision inspection report, which displays side-by-side, before and after values and status for a precise look at the repair. Vehicle inspection is separated into 3 report forms. The sections of the report can be customized in the Setting tab. The Customer Report is the most complete report, which includes engine emission status, network scan, service check items, tire pressure value and status, and warning lights. The Diagnostic Report includes engine emission status and network scan. And the Collision Industry Report includes engine emission status, network scan and warning lights. Choose the accordant report to prescan the vehicle. Depending on the report form, this could take some time to scan. After repairing, post-scan for a side-by-side comparison table. In addition, vehicle inspection can be accessed from both OEM diagnostics and workshop tools. For more information, please visit us at innova.com.
Find the problem, fix the problem.